Hey guys, Aaron Williams here at MarineMax Jupiter, bringing you a 2026 Cruisers Yachts 38 VTR. This boat here is powered by twin Mercury 300 horsepower V8s. We did these engines in black to match all the black piping around the boat. So we'll start here at the transom and walk through the boat. We do have a big sports tow bar back here, so for all your water sports needs. And then off the back, we've got a great ladder that has big high rails, so you have something to really grab onto when you're getting back into the boat from hanging out on the sandbar. All right, as we step aboard here on the starboard side, we're greeted with a summer kitchen. We've got a freshwater sink, a Kenyan electric grill, and of course, no summer kitchen would be complete without a trash can right underneath. So really easy access, great place to throw your trash from the day while you're cooking here or having cocktails. This boat here is equipped with an aft sunshade. So we have poles that will go into these mounts here, attached to the roof and shade your whole area back here. So, because we do have a great lounge chair with storage underneath. So we have a nice big storage area. We can put our life jackets, dock lines, fenders, everything you're gonna need for the day. And in here, the floor storage is absolutely massive. So it goes down and inside underneath the lounger here. Really gives you a great space to put all of your beach toys, you know, lawn chairs, inflatable toys, everything that you want to have out there. So you can bring it all with you. Don't leave anything at the dock. And we have got two refrigerators back here, and then more access to storage that will allow you to get inside there, put some different items in there, obviously limited by space that you can get in, but still a great spot to keep things organized and keep your drinks cool with an ice maker and a refrigerator. One of the coolest features here on the VTR is it does have a swim platform that folds down. So we unlatch it, and with the push of a button, we'll drop this down. And now we've got a great diving platform or just an area to hang out and throw your feet in the water. So these boats are packed full of features, and one of the most convenient features this boat has is gonna be this automatic flush port down here. So one garden hose with a quick attach, plug it in, hit the power button, and it's gonna pump water through both of your engines at the same time, allowing you to flush everything out without having to mess around with plugging in each engine. Just making cleanup at the end of the day a lot easier. So we will move forward and I'll show you the great seating area we have here. This is usually where everyone will be. You know, we'll have drinks, snacks. People have forward facing seating. So we got 3 rows here in the front and 3 people to the back, everyone facing forward. But when you want to be social and use this boat as a place that you can have lunch or dinner, all we have to do is flip our seat rest back, and now we have a family style dining area. This table does fold, so if you want to get just more space and have a grab rail for your people in the back, you have that option. And it is removable if you want. So there's one more storage area right here underneath the table. And so this is gonna give you storage access, but down below you'll have access to batteries and battery switches, and just a good area to throw some extra items as well. So over here on the starboard side, which I think is really cool, not a lot of boats will have, is you have an area specifically for your shore power plugins. But the great thing is it's also a storage area, so you can put dock lines and fenders, but you can roll up your cord when you're not using them and keep them in there. Very nice and tidy. Whenever you want to have them, you just pull them right out, drag them down the back and plug it in. Just another area just to keep organized, keep everything out of the way. We all know storage on a boat is one of the hardest parts to find. So these VTRs are equipped with a cabin. They are air conditioned. They run off of a lithium ion battery system. So down below here, you're gonna get a bathroom, a settee that you can have as a table, or you can drop it down to be a 2-person bed. And you'll have a refrigerator, and of course that air conditioning down there as well. Moving to the helm here, we have 2 large Simrads. These are the ultra wide displays. Really cool because it keeps your dash nice and low, giving you great visibility, but it doesn't sacrifice any screen. So we can have our engine data, we can have our maps, we can have our sonar, we can have our eFathom system power management. We can have it all up at the same time and not lose any information at any time. We've got hard switches to the top here, our battery remote switches directly right here. So it gives you super easy access when you come aboard, turn everything on, kick the keys on, and then we've got our Mercury digital throttle controls, and of course, we equip all of our boats with the joystick piloting capability. This is gonna give you your heading hold, skyhook, autopilot, and of course that low speed maneuvering system here. And we've got our Simrad VHF. So as you can see underneath this hardtop, we've got a ton of great coverage, and we've got a great big windshield that protects us from the elements. You can see the construction of this boat. It's really well made. It's got a great design, and it really is driver focused, giving you the best protection and also the best performance, and also being a luxury day boat that you can also overnight on. I'll show you the bow, one of the best spots to be on the boat while you're out there relaxing. So moving up here to the bow, we've got a great big seating area. There is the option to put a table in the middle. We have our audio and stereo controls here, so you don't have to go back to the helm in order to control the music and get that nice sound quality or that perfect song while you're out there. We do have a sunshade for this area. Again, clips, it's 4 poles that go into the gunnels of the boat and stick up. That'll shade this entire area. Underneath this seat is room for a Yeti cooler. So that way, while you're up here, you're never too far away from a cold beverage. So up here, these boats are equipped with a windlass anchor system. So directly under here, we've got access to the anchor, and we have access to our anchor remote as well. This boat does have a freshwater wash down up here, so while the anchor's coming in, you can shoot it off with some fresh water, making sure it stays nice and clean and keeps all that rust away. Up top, we have a light bar. So again, this is an adventure style boat, so you can use it in all weather conditions and any time of day or night. And then we also have our Simrad radar system up there as well. You can equip these boats here with a Thule rack system. So you can take out your paddle boards, you can have a bike rack, really access all that the Thule rack has to offer, and bring all of your toys with you wherever you're gonna go. All right guys, thank you for taking a walkthrough on this 2026 Cruisers Yachts 38 VTR. This boat is available. It's here at MarineMax Jupiter, and if you wanna come see this boat or anything like it, just come on down, ask for Aaron Williams, and we'll get you out on the water.